Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here in Barbados. So we have completed our marine crew change at naghihintay-hintay na lang po tayo ng schedule to sail out and proceed to South America, especially for the next mobilization. So bali ang trabaho natin ay nasa offshore Guyana, but we just carried out some kind of a nearest and convenient port to carry out the crew change for the marine as well as the project personnel. So dito tayo nagkaroon ng crew change dito sa may Barbados. So ngayon makikita po ninyo maraming mga cruise ship ang mga naka-alongside at to the information of everyone, Barbados is known as one of the tourist destination. At maraming mga cruise ship ang mga pumupunta dito. It's part of their port of call para mamasyal. As we know that Barbados, ang mga turista or ang mga visita is one of our source of income. Talagang ang tourism, which is isa sa pinagmamalaki din talaga ng lugar na to. At along the way nung bumibiyahe tayo, nakikita natin talagang napakaganda ng lugar na to dito sa may Barbados. But the question is, bakit dandahan na silang umaalis? So hindi naman kailangan na abruptly na mag-sail sila, but due to the port of call advisory, kailangan nating umalis dahil mayroong hurricane advisory at talagang tatamaan tong lugar na to, and we were advised to sail out. Kaya yung mga cruise ship na yan ay dandahan ng umalis. At makikita po natin doon sa labas ay mayroon ng mga cruise ship that supposed to be going to alongside, but talagang in-advise na lang sila na mag-sail, proceed to somewhere else kasi nga tatamaan tong lugar na to ng hurricane. So tayo, bali naghihintay na lang tayo ng clearance at ang piloto na sumampa at mag-sail out na rin tayo.